How to express your opinion in English. Today we will learn some English phrases which is used very much in English to express opinions. Knowing these will make your English conversation much better and you can speak English confidently. Today I will also teach you some examples with phrases so that in future you can memorize them very easily and use them when speaking English. As I said before, these phrases are used to express opinions. That means how to express your opinion in English. So, let's get started. As far as I know. He is not coming today, as far as I know. He is not coming today, as far as I know. As far as I know, she is an honest woman. From my point of view. Try to see it from my point of view. Try to see it from my point of view. From my point of view, there is no way they can win. Honestly, I think. I honestly think it is rubbish. I honestly think it is rubbish. I honestly think it's great for the party. I agree with. I agree with the president. I agree with the president. I agree with your wife. I agree with your wife. I believe. I believe it's going to snow. I believe it's going to snow. I believe everyone is born equal. I feel. I feel very depressed. I feel really bad about it. I feel that. I feel that we shall win. I feel that he doesn't like me. I feel that he doesn't like me. I would say that. I would say that TV has become a more necessity than luxury. I would suggest that. I would suggest that you see your doctor about this. I would suggest that you see your doctor about this. If you ask me. He is a complete nut, if you ask me. If you ask me, the whole thing was fixed. In my opinion. In my opinion, you were wrong. In my opinion, the movie lacks contents. In my view. In my view, it was a waste of time. In my view, it was a waste of time. In my view, things won't change. In my view, things won't change. It seems likely. It seems likely that he will miss Ireland's next match. Personally, I think. Personally, I think it's a waste of time. Personally, I think it's a crazy idea. I believe my sister to be honest. To be honest, I don't like him very much. It seems to me. It seems to me you don't have much choice. It seems to me you don't have much choice. What I mean is. What I mean is, I don't feel alone anymore. There are other phrases that are used when expressing opinions, such as, it seems obvious that. It seems obvious that. My point of view is that. My point of view is that. The essential point is. The main points are. The way I see it is. Well, if you ask me, I am of the opinion that. If I am not mistaken. As far as I am concerned. I figure that. I figure that. I hope you will use these phrases when you talk to someone. I have given some examples so that you can better understand or use phrases. I hope you can use these from now on. You must learn these to improve your English.